Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. It's day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, and today we're making something extra fun, gingerbread cookie bars. These are soft, chewy gingerbread cookies baked in a pan, topped with creamy buttercream, and finished with festive Christmas sprinkles. They're easy to make, easy to serve, and perfect for the holiday dessert trays. Now let's get baking. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, beat together 3/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of molasses until smooth. Mix in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture until fully combined. Spread the cookie dough into a greased 9x13 baking dish or jelly roll pan and bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow the cookie to cool completely. To make the frosting, beat 1/2 cup of butter until light and fluffy. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and continue to beat. Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or cream to make the frosting spreadable. Spread the frosting over the gingerbread cookie and top with Christmas sprinkles. Then cut the cookie into bars. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you loved these gingerbread cookie bars. They're soft, festive, and perfect for the holidays. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. Don't forget, this is only day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, so make sure you're subscribed and you've turned on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's cookie recipe. See you next time!